Well, good morning, everyone. It's really really early. Well, it's not early for us. We're up this early every day, but it's like 3:30, and we're gonna head out soon towards Williams Lake because I've got a special little surprise that I'm gonna be picking up today. And for the first time in a really long time, it's not another motorcycle. So, uh, but we have probably a 6-hour drive ahead of us just to get there, and then have to get back as well, obviously today. So it's going to be quite the day. But I'm really really excited, and I know it's not maybe super motorcycle related, but it's a really big deal for me and for our family. So I just want to share it with you guys. I know it's been a little while since I've uploaded any videos. It's mainly because I can't even get on my motorcycle right now. A combination of weather and bureaucracy has made it really difficult to try and plan any content, because I'm either working in the rain, which is not particularly fun, and I'm not able to ride the bike, which I don't mind riding in the rain, but I can't legally do that right now. So it's a little frustrating, and I haven't made as much content as I hoped that I would be making, but life happens, right? So this channel always intended to be more than just about the motorcycle trips that I do. It's also kind of about the builds that I'm doing and just, you know, our lives in general. So I'm really excited to bring you guys along with me. There's some parts of BC that I haven't quite yet had the opportunity to explore on the bike. So it'll be really nice to get up there and just check things out a little bit, and then come home with an amazing, brilliant surprise. So I'll see you guys there.
Alright, well, the sun decided to peek out from behind the mountains and overcast sky, and it's gorgeous, even if it's covered in snow. You know, when it's far away, it's really pretty. When it's on the ground right next to you and it's freezing cold outside, not so much. But how's the trip so far?
Beautiful.
Yeah? Should we tell them what we're doing yet?
Didn't you already spoil the surprise?
No, I haven't yet. I just mentioned that it's not a motorcycle, which is
Odd
very
for you.
unusual. Yeah. Are you happy that it's not a motorcycle for once?
I think I was saying I would choose this over more motorcycle parts any day of the week.
What's wrong with motorcycle parts?
That they're not put together.
All right, that's fair. That's fair. All right, well, we've made it to Lillooet, so we're basically about halfway. Of course, we're at the halfway that is the super early morning, quiet, and nicer roads that haven't been completely covered in snow yet. So apparently we're driving into some pretty nasty weather, but you know, that's why we have the vehicle that we do, so that we can just go slow and steady and still make it there, and yeah, come home with something a little special. I really can't explain how excited I am, but it is what it is. See you guys soon. So the rain is playing havoc. Rain? So the snow is playing havoc on more than just us. The lady that we're supposed to be meeting out here can't get out of her driveway, which is a thing, and her driveway is on a giant ranch about an hour west of Williams Lake. So yeah, looks like we're taking the truck out there and hoping that once we pick up what we're there to pick up, we can actually get out of their driveway. Or we might be camping in the truck tonight. We'll see. Just a little stop for fuel, and then we're on the last leg of the trip.
In the bumfuck middle of nowhere.
Talk about a driveway though, huh?
Oh, to live out here. Have that as your backyard.
Alright, well there's the bike.
Hello! Hello! Look at you! Oh my gosh!
Oh my god. Hello, baby. How are you doing? And this is Dad.
I just want to keep you.
Look at you!
But
Gosh, Nancy.
he shows signs of being a really good dog.
Yeah?
He's quite attentive
He's
Hi, handsome. Oh my gosh.
and he listens.
Which is a nice start, that's for sure. Oh, you're gonna get so many belly rubs. That's for sure.
Hi. How are you doing? How are you doing?
Well, are you gonna miss the snow though? It's not snowing in Squamish yet.
You think? Maybe we'll bring back some with us.
Bring some snow with you.
Hey, buddy.
Oh, he's got the right idea. Hi, Ethan.
I know. Things aren't normal.
This disgusting, like, cuteness.
I know, dude. What's with all these changes lately? Now you're in some stranger's truck, two weirdos who just keep going, "Aw," every time they look at you.
Babe, look.
Amazing. The trip back to Squamish was exhausting, if uneventful. With plenty of stops for the puppy to stretch, eat, and pee, we slowly but surely made our way south out of the snow and closer to bed. It would be a full week before I pulled out the camera again to record any semblance of an update, then another 3 weeks before I would edit all this content together for all of you. In the meantime, though, this rascal didn't slow down a bit, easily doubling in size and putting massive smiles on our faces daily. Well, the first week or so has been, a little rough. Hey, bub? But we're getting used to each other. I think in the end, it's he's not quite a motorcycle. So I don't think I've introduced anyone. I haven't done videos in a few weeks. It's just been, life's just been crazy. It happens. And I really do want to be making that content for you guys, but the fact is I haven't really even been working on the bike. I haven't had the time to do any of those projects that I talked about and even get some of the parts in. So it is what it is. I'm still going to do that stuff. So if you guys are interested, be sure to stay tuned because I have a number of projects lined up: wiring harness, fork rebuild, carb tear down. We got bleeding brakes when you're completely by yourself, both with a decent tool to do it and with nothing. So stay tuned for all that stuff, and I appreciate you guys sticking around. But I haven't introduced this fellow right here yet. Say hello to Prometheus. Yeah, I had to go with a silly name, but seems fitting. Hey, handsome. And he has been a handful, but I'm really excited about having him here and him being able to join us on our adventures. I'm hoping motorcycles don't freak him out too much, but we will see. And just as a little update, still waiting on that paperwork from Ontario. So, that was kind of expected, but also a downer that it still hasn't arrived. So we will be back to regular motorcycle content, as soon as I can. I appreciate everyone's patience and yeah, to all the new subscribers since the last time I addressed you guys, I really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button and tuning in regularly to the videos that I'm posting. A couple of the videos that I've had recently, before this break, actually did quite well, and it's exciting. So I appreciate everyone's input and your feedback, and yeah. Say goodbye, Prometheus. We'll see him later. You got it. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go, handsome. Come on. Oh, come on. You got it. Oh, there you go. Good boy. Prometheus. Okay. Oh, here we go. Come on. Jump. Oh, you gotta jump. Sit. You're too cute. Come on. Oh, close. You getting there, bub. You gonna do it? You gonna do it?
Get it!
Oh!
There we go.
Good boy.
Good boy, baby.
Sit. Wow, that's close to sitting. It's close to sitting. Come here. You ready? You ready? Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Well done. There you go. See, I knew you could do it. Come on. You gotta jump up on here. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, sit. That's down, but it's. And let's go. Good boy. There you go. Good boy. Go on. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Oh, you stinker. Okay, go get it. Good boy. Oh, Bubba. You're so big. You're so big. Go get it. Up. Sit. Oh, you handsome devil.